Welcome back to Revenue. Join me as I dive into the challenge of building an emergency fund using the 100 Envelope Savings Challenge.
I'm sure you had good bag. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Having an emergency fund in place is crucial for achieving financial security. It's a safety net that provides peace of mind, protects you from going into debt, and ensures you're prepared for life's unexpected expenses. Without one, you're living on a financial tightrope, one unexpected expense away from financial disaster. Many of us struggle to save for emergencies because we're living paycheck to paycheck. We're so focused on making ends meet that we don't have any money left over to put aside for a rainy day. And when that rainy day comes, we're forced to rely on credit cards or loans, which can lead to a debt spiral that's hard to escape. Another challenge we face is that unexpected expenses always seems to come at the worst possible time. Your car breaks down, your AC unit needs to be replaced, or you get sick and need to take time off work. These expenses are always unexpected, and they always seem to happen when we're least prepared. And if we don't have an emergency fund in place, we're left scrambling to come up with the money to pay for these expenses. Sometimes we think we can just wing it and hope for the best, but the truth is, hope is not a financial strategy. Without a plan, we're leaving ourselves open to a financial disaster, and the consequences can be severe: debt, stress, and a constant feeling of uncertainty. But having an emergency fund in place can be a total game changer. It gives you a peace of mind, knowing that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. You'll be able to sleep better at night, knowing that you have a safety net to fall back on. And when emergencies do arise, you'll be able to handle them with ease without going into debt or dipping into your savings. Having an emergency fund can also prevent debt accumulation during crisis. When you have a fund in place, you're not forced to rely on credit cards or loans to pay for unexpected expenses. You're able to pay for these expenses out of your own pocket without accumulating debt, and that's a huge weight off your shoulders. Remember, having an emergency fund in place is crucial for achieving financial security. It's a safety net that provides peace of mind, protects you from going into debt, and ensures you're prepared for life's unexpected expenses. If you haven't already, I encourage you to start building your emergency fund today. And if you're already on the path to financial independence, I'd love to hear about your experiences with emergency funds in the comments below. Be sure to check out my next video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.